I chose the Diesel Power Light Truck Technology program here at Mitchell Tech because I wanted to widen my knowledge of what I can do as far as diesel trucks go. Maintenance, rebuilds, transmissions, you name it, it's all part of the game.
I've come from a long line of mechanics, and we haul gravel out of pier, and I just thought that would be the best way to help my family business out. I just hope to kind of bring forth some of the newer knowledge that they didn't have experience with because they never had the chance to learn that.
I come every day because I enjoy what I do and I like doing it. It doesn't feel like a chore to me.
I've understood the computer technology a lot better. It's kind of advanced in the last few years quite a bit, and it will keep advancing just because of how much the world is going to keep expanding towards the computer side. My instructors always find a way to either find me an answer or they have the answer, so it's pretty nice to have people with a lot of knowledge like that.
Someday I want to sit around the shop in my own area and work on semi-engines, rebuild them. I love it when a project comes together, it works smoothly, and I can put my name on it and say I did that.
It's all fun for me, and I'm a firm believer in that. If you think your work is fun, you will never have to work a day in your life.
Be the best at Mitchell Tech.